What's up, Patriots? I'm a Figo, and today we will play some more Minecraft. It's dark outside, so I'm going to have a nap. You know, Odysseus from Ithaca always needs a nap. Zzz. Okay, I learned some new freaking good combinations, such as how to make a map. It's awesome. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, it seems like a penis. It seems like a penis to me, but it's okay. And a compass. Wee-hoo! A fishing rod and many other things. A watch. I knew how to do it, so we are going to do okie dokie. Look, I've made a very, very, very nice train station. I'm placing Wagonia there. Wagon was stolen. Ah, look, I've learned the trick. No, my fishing rod. Anyway. Let go of Wagon. Woohoo! Look, it's so realistic. You see, I'm actually looking at the map right now. Oh, Steven! You see, I have a ship, and I name it Steven, but where is it? There. Yes! Steven, how you doing? I'm gonna take him in my home. Come on, Steven, let's go. There we are again. Now we are going to take Steven. Come, Steven. Go there. Okay. Now we're going to put some fences so that he will become our ship. There we go. Steven's new home. That's lovely. So that it will keep him safe, cause I have to go and sleep. Well, yes. What if I gone? I gone. I gone. Gotcha! Figo! I'm right here. There you are, Vagon. I told you, you stupid idiot. Hey, metal. Vagon is swearing at me. Okay, you're not in need to go. Ow! Fast! Fast! Fast, Vagon! Fast! Go! Go, 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 go! Go! Let's go, Vagon. I'm trying, Figo! I'm trying! Please! Don't kill me. I'm not gonna kill you, Vagon. Are you idiot? No, I'm just afraid. You shouldn't be afraid. But I'm afraid. I'm a coward. No, you're not a coward. You're my minecart. And you took the wrong direction. Dun. Just kidding. And here we are. I'm gonna fall asleep. And then I'm gonna make Steven's house. He's so beautiful. I know Steven is model. I've made his fair blue. Lapis lazuli is the trick. And please tell me that I have already made door. No, I haven't. I have to build one by myself. You have to wait. There we are again. Ready to go and, and with Steven's home. Let's go, wagon. Wee-hoo! I have to put powered rail right here because I'm going too slow. Anyway, we're going fast now. I'm going to take my diamond tax. There is Steven Wagon. Stay there. Okay, Kocho. Or Figo. Okay, we should block now Steven to get out. Stay in, Steven! 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 No! I want to go away! In, man. Are you afraid, Steven? I don't know. Meh. This bullshit. Take that shit! Okay, we're okay. Alright, Steven. What do you want? Man, Figo, man. I'm just going away. You're eating grass. Man. I will let you out sometimes, to eat. I know. I can make him, like Japanese. In my country, Japanese is the one that owes the best. Steven! Brrst! Brrst! Brrr. Steven, go out and eat. Eat, Steven. Man, I can't feed, man. You're an idiot, Steven. Okay, I'm gonna collect you. You're coming in at night. Let's go, wagon. Ow. Ow. Oh, no food. I have to go, wagon. I have to go. I haven't got the food ready. So I have to bake something. Or, and that shit. I think that I will die. Wagon! Wagon, come and help me. This is very difficult. This is from Itaka, I cannot die. Then we are again patriots with 5 well done fishes. It's enough, I believe. Okay, now we are just going to place around in the sea, I believe. Oh, there is Wagon. Fuck, I forgot the door. It's okay. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Oh, out. Epic Wagon driver. See you later, Wagon. Okay, Kocho, but I'm afraid. Come back. Kocho, Figo. No. Okay, Ron is placed. And we are okay. See you later, Ron. Okay. I have got no problem. Okay, Wagon, let's go. Wee! Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Very nice, Wagon. Kocho! Figo! Please come back, I'm afraid. Okay, and now we're going out. 15 level. That's good and lovely. Where is Wagon? Oh fuck, I forgot him. Wait, I will come back in a second. There we are again, but this time in front of my Summoner's Rift. Yeah, penis map. Penis map. Penis map. Look, I've been in there. It's freaking scary to go down there. Cause look, if I fall, I'm gonna die. Like this. Ow! Lot of health. You see, have got light in there. But now we're going up to get Steven in, and then I think he farmed a lot, don't you think? It's getting dark. Whee! Our house is west. Oh, wait. What the hell is this? Steven! 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 Go wagon! Wait me at home, I'm gonna come. Steven, come here. The zombies are gonna eat you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, Steven. Yes, yes, go in there, go in there. Go, 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 go. Man, I don't want to, man. I don't care, Steven. The zombies are gonna eat you. Go, Steven. Go. Don't worry about me. Man, they're probably gonna eat you too, man. I don't care, Steven. You must go in there. What am I going to do with this guy? Go in, Steven, for fuck's sake. What the There you go, Steven. You're going to be safe in there. Okay, Vagon, let's go. The zombies are gonna eat us. Cause I'm a Jesus from Ithaca who speaks Russian. And I don't give a simple fuck of what is going on. Wait, Vagon, wait for me. This is the best part of this. Woohoo! What the hell are you doing in there? What do you want to do with me? What the fuck? I'm going in here, and then it was just you and me, bitch. I'm gonna sleep. Oof, tiring day. Steven, 3 days in Minecraft recording. Yay. Okay. So now I'm gonna end the video right here. Or not? What do you think? You want me to jump over there, huh? Don't you? Well, I haven't got the time. I'm sorry. Look, I have learned how to moonwalk in Minecraft. Taran, 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 taran. Taran, 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 taran. This is James Bond. This is probably James Bond. Look at this dude. Jimmy B is not my. Anyway, like a favorite if you actually enjoyed. Subscribe to become a patriot today. And look at this penis map. Gorgeous. And we will actually see you in the next episode of whatever we are going to make.